Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Minooka, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Mokina, Channahon, Minooka, Wilmington, Coal City, Crest Hill, Shorewood, Manhattan, Ingalls Park, Diamond, Elwood, Preston Heights, Fairmont, Rockdale, and Crystal Lawns. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
Prior to his death, had Alex taken a trip to Mexico?
I already hear thunder. Guys, from now on, I will not be uploading any more severe thunderstorm warning videos. So if you want to know any more latest details,
She left in the morning
visit weather.gov
and he was fine, and then he came back
or any other
Saturday evening
YouTube
and
creator
he was sick when he came back.
like Northern Illinois EAS.
Do you recall
So-
Alex getting a call on December
See ya.
11th
Bye.
prior to his death?
Yes.
Go Bill.